Hi there, in this video we are going to analyze the AUD USD. So as we can see, the market is moving in a downtrend. So if I go to the daily chart here, the market was moving in a downtrend. So now it's making some kind of pattern here which will show us the right direction. So as we can see, might be this is the area where the market got multiple rejections here. So this is a strong resistance, so it means the market will move in the up direction maybe, but we need to understand something here. So the first thing first, what we are going to do here, as we can see, it's making a triangle here. Let me show you. It's making a triangle here, and like here, if I even touch this these areas, then it's making a triangle, but we need to see if there is any kind of divergence. So how we can see the divergence in the daily time frame? So we have EMA, which is 50, and RSI with the default values. So what I'm going to see whether we have any kind of divergence here or not. So let's consider this area, and we will consider this area. So we don't have divergence here. Now again we will look here if we have here. So here we have some kind of divergence here because the market was moving. So this is the signal where we can see the market is changing its trend, but we need to confirm at least 2 times so we can place trades in the daily in 15 minutes chart. So we need to find the trend first. So whether it's going to change the trend or not, we need to see here. So now if I see here and accordingly see here, okay, so as we can see, the markets is changing its direction here. So we have seen 2 divergence here, so it means the market can change its direction. So simply what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a Fibonacci here. So what it's going to do is going to give me an opportunity to trade in the markets. So as we can see here, if I zoom in this area, this is the golden pocket area where if the market come in this area, we have a strong resistance and we will take a buying position here. So we will take a buying position here, and our stop loss will be here, and our winning position will be here. So it's 4% and it's 0.1% loss. So we can expand this loss up to here, it's up to us, but this is the golden pocket as you can see. So now I can go to the 4-hour chart. So here we can see the market is moving in that direction. This is the area as well where we can take the trade, and it will maybe come here, but this is not that strong. If we see any kind of trade here, or we can plan 2 trades here. First one is here, and if we lose this trade, or okay, up to here, because this is a strong resistance, we get multiple rejections here, so we can take a small position here and a bigger one here. So now I need to go to the 15-minute chart. So here I can see the things clearly now. So as you can see, the market is moving still in the downtrend, but we need to find a pattern here, or we need to find any kind of divergence here to place this trade. Okay, I'm just showing you how I do this. Okay, so most of the time I see double bottom or double top. Okay, double bottom or double top in the markets, or I see the head and shoulder pattern, then I'll enter in this area. So when we combine the Fibonacci plus support and resistance, and plus we see the patterns here, a double top or double bottom, so this is going to be a strong setup. We don't need to use these indicators if you don't want to, but for the beginners, if you need to understand the divergence, you can place these indicators, but I don't mostly use that, because when we have Fibonacci, support and resistance, and then we have a patterns, and we know the price action a little bit about the price action, then we are good to go here. So these are the positions. So today we have the day 24 of July 2024, and it's about, you can see the time, okay, 11:30. So hope so this will I'm going to apply next, and hopefully it will help you. So have a good day. Subscribe to the channel. If you want to know more about the trading, you can ask the question in the comment section. I'll try to provide you as many answers as I can. So have a good day.